Hi Stampers, it's Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. Can you believe I'm talking Christmas cards? It can't be true, but it is. But I'm super excited. I love Christmas. I love fall. I love stamping Christmas cards in the fall. But today I want to start diving into this holiday catalog with you and talk about the kit that's on page 33. Now, if you don't have a catalog yet and you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, make sure to let me know because I would love to send you one, okay? But if you have it, check out this kit on page 33. Now, let's be honest. This absolutely positively does not do justice to this kit. That's why I wanted to do a video on it for you and show you how beautiful these cards are. Now this kit makes 20 cards and it's only $20. That's $1 a card. You tell me where you can go buy cards that are gorgeous, that you've done you've handmade it for $1 a piece. Great to send to your family and friends. To be honest, I think this is what I'm using for my Christmas cards this year. Now, the kit comes with everything you need except adhesive and the stamp set. So this is the stamp set that goes with it. Now, it's quite possible you have some other Christmas greetings that would fit that you'd like to use with it. Feel free to do that, but great words, and it fits perfectly. And I've been using these greetings for other cards, not just with this kit. So I have some other projects that I'm going to be showing you in the coming weeks that uses the stamp set outside of the kit. Now, that's enough babbling because you want to see the cards, right? So let's throw this aside and take a peek at the cards. Now, there's 4 different ones, and you get to make 5 of each when you get this card kit. So we're going to take them one at a time, and I'm going to just show you how this card looks, exactly how the kit has it. Now it opens up, it has a nice white on the inside, and you can certainly stamp the inside. I just haven't done that yet. Your card base for this particular one looks like so, and it's a pretty decent weight cardstock. So these are pretty nice, just how they are. And this piece is all done for you. Isn't that gorgeous? I wish I could watercolor like that. And what I love is this gold, and I don't know, it might be glaring off there, foil on here, and then a couple rhinestones. Now, before I give you a couple tips on this card, I want to show you my little dressed up version a little bit. The only thing I did here was I added some linen thread, because you know me and my linen thread and banker's twine, I needed that. And this time I used the banner with Merry Christmas, which you're going to see on another card. So you really can mix and match whether it's the circles or the banners and the different greetings on it. Now, let's look at the actual card and how simple this one was to make. So your card base, like I said, looks like so, but see this white line here? Boy, Stampin' Up! Couldn't have made it any easier for us. And we've got these gold stickers here. Now you have to kind of pay attention. These are shorter and this one's longer. So these just peel off of here, and when you peel them off, just in case some of the things don't come off, all you gotta do is use your little stylus to poke those out of there. Here we go, and looks like this one I got quite a few. I don't know how that, so just poke them through. We'll get them out of there. There we go. And then we're gonna just take this piece, and for me it seemed to work better upside down, and it's gonna fit right below that line. You can butt it up right up to the line. I liked it just a smidgen lower, so I lined it up nice and straight with that line. And you just stick that down. So that part is super easy. Now you'll notice when you peel off this piece, there was a star that's out of there. And honestly, I didn't see in Stampin' Up's instructions what to do with that star. So I picked it up and I put it on the top of that tree. Picks up real easy with the stylus. And I put it on there, and then all you need to do is adhere this one down. Okay, cover up the little hole from the star. At our greetings, I did dimensionals on that, and then 3 of the little rhinestones that are included in the kit. And that's it. And then, like I said, here's the second one. Oh, we need to look at the envelopes. Look at the gorgeous envelopes that come with it. They've got the gold on the edge, and then on the inside, we've got red ones, and we have, let's find you one, a green one. So I would put this card in the green envelope. Look at how pretty. So there's the first card in the kit. Let's take a look at the second card. This one uses a strip of that gold foil as well, and this is the shorter piece. So that one comes off of this sheet, and just like that first card, there's a line there. So you can peel it off, line it up on the line, and then after you've done that, we've got this piece that goes over it. Our words are stamped on one of the banners that came in the kit. And then this one has the little green rhinestone, so that adds just that special touch. So this is the way the instructions in the kit show it. And then I jazzed mine up a little bit here by just adding a piece of the gold edge ribbon on there. And I moved my banner down to the bottom. So not a big deal. Both of these greetings are part of that stamp set, so you can kind of intermix them with whichever way you want to go. So that's the second card in the kit. Here is our third one. Now this one doesn't have any lines on it because there's nothing to really line up. The piece that goes for the card just punches out. Okay, it's all die cut for you. And then if you look close here, you can see where there's this outline of the black label. That is for these gold labels. Oh, sorry about that shine again. The gold label, so you peel it off, you stick it right on there. So when you adhere this, just use some adhesive or dimensionals. Well, actually, here's the kit one. I use dimensionals on here, and then I also put the May the Warmth of Christmas up on dimensionals to raise that up. But you can see your gold underneath there. And again, we've got the rhinestones. Then for my little stepped up version, this one I actually stuck the leaf or the images here flat down instead of on dimensionals, which after I did that, I wish I would have done dimensionals too. And then I just used some of our gold metallic thread just to have a little bit more going on there. So and once again, we're nice and white on the inside. This one's gonna go in your red envelope, and look at that beautiful card. So let's take a look at one more. Move these out of the way. So for this one, okay, this is the way the kit shows it. Now at first, when I looked at the instructions, I thought this was a little funky because you can see here how this sticks out over the edge. I'm like, well, that's silly. It's not going to fit in the envelope, but it does. There's enough space in this envelope, so when we put this in, there's room here to close it so our words can hang off the edge a little bit, just to add a little added dimension to it. Now this card opens up this way. We've got that nice green print on it, white on the inside, and once again we have a nice black line. So when we take our gold foil stickers, which, sorry, I got parts and pieces everywhere. So for this one, again, we can peel this off. And you know what I did find? If you kind of rub your fingers on here, okay, before you take these off, I found that it tends to peel off a little bit easy. Well, it comes off easy anyway, but see, all of the extra little pieces stayed, came off, so I didn't have to poke them with my little piercing tool. And then take this, go below the line, and again, I went a little bit further below, I wanted more of this gold showing, but line it up with that line, stick it down, and then we have this piece all done for us, and this will go right on top like so. Go ahead and adhere it straight down or use dimensionals. I think I put that one straight down. We've got rhinestones, we've got our banner up on dimensionals, and there's our pretty Christmas card. And then to change it a little bit, I used a circle instead of the banner, and then we still have our rhinestones on there, and I used just a little piece of the gold sequin trim on there, so just to add a little bit more. So I am so excited about this card kit. Like I said, this is probably going to be my Christmas card because I get so busy this time of year. I don't have a lot of time to make cards, and I honestly can whip these out pretty darn quick. And $20 for 20 cards. Now, like I said, the stamp set's awesome also. So if you want to make some other cards with it, you could make these 20, and then I've got quick and easy cards that I know you're absolutely going to love that I'll show you in another video really soon. So any questions, make sure to let me know. Like I said, I love kits, and I love this kit. Stampin' Up! Definitely hit a home run on it. Now, kits sometimes tend to sell out, especially this one when people start seeing how gorgeous it is. So if this is something you like, I know it's only the beginning of September, think ahead. Grab a couple of these kits. You could grab 2 or 3 of these kits and you're going to be all ready to make your Christmas cards. So I look forward to stamping with you again real soon. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with your friends, and follow me on my blog and my Facebook because I have lots of fun ideas coming your way. Have a stamp happy day, guys. We'll stamp again soon.